The following is the class on Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Lila, Chapter 20, text number 111, given by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on 19th July 1976 in New York.
Krishna Abhavitin Sakritanasi Chit Shakti, Jiva Shakti are Mayanda. In the previous part, we have discussed that fire is situated in one place, but it is expanding its life. We should always remember this comparison that the sun is there localized, and from millions and millions of years it is distributing heat and light. Temperature is not yet reduced. The same temperature is going on. Similarly, we can understand very easily that God may be far away from us. He is not far away. He is within us. But we think like that God is far away. Simply we have no knowledge to understand. Just like in the morning, as soon as there is twilight, we can immediately understand now the darkness is finished, the sunlight is there. Gradually the sun comes out and the whole day becomes very brilliant and warm. Immediately things are changed. Similarly, when we see that the nature's way, that is the heat and light of the sun, material world. So, if everything is going on nicely, how we can say the body is dead? Things are going on. That like the heat and light is there, therefore even though you are within the room, you can understand the sun is there. Or even there is cloud covering the sun, that does not mean the sun is not there. So it is simply foolishness. We say sometimes that there is no God. Can you show me? I am not seeing God. These are all rascals probably. When you see any foreign country, you see that the city is maintained very nicely. The police is there, the light is there, the green light, the red light is there. We can easily understand that there is God. Any sane man, how we can say the government is dead? This is foolishness. There cannot be any question of God is dead. If you say I cannot see him, you cannot see him in the government statement. Can you see the president always? But you have to accept that there is a system of government. Therefore the head of the government is there. So, actually God is there and his system is going on in three potencies. In the Vedas we learn, Parasa Shakti Vividavasya Samavijnana Balakyata. Para, the Supreme Absolute Truth, has many potencies, and the only potency has been summarized into three. That is stated here: Chit-Shakti, Jiva-Shakti, and Maya. Chit-Shakti means spiritual potency, and Jiva-Shakti, living entity. We are also Shakti, Prakriti. We are not Purusha. Purusha means enjoy, and Prakriti means enjoy. We cannot really enjoy, that is not possible. So Shakti. In the Bhagavad Gita also it is called Aparāyam Gitasu Vidhimeru Praditing Para. When Krishna described about the material energy, Bhumira Honaro Vayu, earth, water, air, fire, these are material energy. Gross and the subtle material energy, mind, intelligence, and yogi. Beyond that, aparaya, these are inferior energies. Beyond that, there is spiritual energy. What is that spiritual energy? Jiva Buddha, the living. That is spiritual energy. That spiritual energy is always different from the material energy. Unfortunately, the so-called scientists, they have no sufficient intelligence on account of poor mind of knowledge. They are missing up. They are thinking that there is no spiritual energy separately, but by combination of matter, chemical, this spiritual energy comes into existence. That is wrong. That is not fair. Spiritual energy is completely different from material energy. That is energy of the Supreme Personality of God. But spiritual energy is direct and material energy is indirect. Both of them are energy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And when there is question of energy, Shakti, some energy, so we have to accept the source of energy. That's the electric energy. We see the electric energy, but there is a source of electric energy, the power. How can we deny it? Those are foolish persons. They think that a child, that this bulb is giving light out of the dawn. That is not fact. The fact is, the electric energy is coming from the background, the power. Therefore, the body is giving light. So, whatever intelligence we have born, that is not our intelligence. That is God's intelligence. Matta smriti jnanam ambohananja, that is Bhagavad Gita says. That intelligence is coming. But the intelligence, why mind different? Just like the bulb, there are 15 candle powers, 50 candle powers, 100 candle powers. According to the bulb, the energy that is little. Similarly, according to our power of reception, we can exhibit our intelligence very, but actually it is coming from God. Anything, the same principle. Janmabda Siddhamaha, the Vedanta. Absolute truth means the original soul summary. Everything may be of different varieties, but the original soul is Krishna. Aham sarvasya prabhava, matta sarvam pravattati. Iti matya bhajante ma dudha ma Madhya. The devotee, he can understand, by the grace of God, he can understand where from the energy is coming, how it is acting. Iti aham sarvasya prabhava matta sarvam pravartate iti matya buddha bhavana bhajante man iti matya bhajante man buddha bhavana. This thing can be understood by the Buddha. Buddha means one is very intelligent, one is in awareness of everything. He is called Buddha. Bhava, it is all coming from Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Then they become more and more devoted. That is stated as the Chaitanya. Siddhanta baliya chitte na paro oro, yaha harite Krishna lage sudhira mano. Sentiment is no, sentimentary power, but that is after full knowledge. When you can understand Krishna is so great, so powerful, then your devotion increases immediately. Therefore we have to study Shastras for understanding his position. And if we understand Krishna, then we will understand. Tattare ham pranarjanmane janma karma samay vipam. So those who are in Krishna consciousness movement, they should study Krishna scientifically, not by sentiment. After full knowledge of Krishna, when you become absorbed in Krishna's thought, that is called bhava. Buddha bhava samandhi. So that bhava state does not come immediately. You have to practice greatness. Ado sadhya karu sadhanamma tato bhajana kriya tato ansanjitishya tato nishtha tato ruchi tatha shakti tato bhava. There are stages. So this is the beginning. Ado sadhya. Just like yesterday evening, the very much appreciated the Rasayatra ceremony, and they wrote very frankly, here is the point of meeting east and west. The newspapers, they are written like that. It actually is that. We cannot become united nation or united dogs. Everyone is barking. If you practice to bark, then simply some different types of dogs, some bulldog, some greyhound, some this, some that. So how they linger? No, that is not so. Here is the reason. I can set down now. There is it. Actually, if we take the consciousness movement very seriously, scientifically.
Yeah.
Then there is Vidyavinaye Sampanne Brahmani Lohi Pastini Suniteta Sambhati Pandita Samadarista. Pandita means like he samadas Brahma Bhuvita Prasanna Ma Asurtasi Lakantati Samas Sarvesu Bhutesu Bhakti Ravate Para. Actually, this is the platform where we can unite. And by practical examples are shown, everyone was engaged in dancing and chanting, never mind whether Indian, American, black, white, children or very ugly. This is one. This is one. And when we thoroughly understand what is the basic principle of Krishna consciousness, and we understand the Vasudeva of Krishna is the central point of our attention, then our life is successful. Vasudeva Sarvami, Samahatma, Sudra. Mahatma means great soul. So, great soul, one side, that's good. That Krishna is the source of all energy. That's like the sun, she is the source of all material energy. So then we can become perfect. Vasudeva Sarvamiti Samahatma Sudundam. I request you that each and every one of you just become Mahatma, not crippled mind, but broad mind. That is positive when we understand Krishna is the source of all energy. Thank you.